Tea Party is filled with a group of wonderfully patriotic Americans. They mean well, but they don't have their facts straight. The current Tea Party movement has little resemblance to the Boston Tea Party. The Boston Tea Party was about taxation without representation. There is representation in the government. Just because the Republicans lost this term does not mean they have no representation. From what I've seen, the Tea Party movement is much more concerned with some of their tax dollars being used to help someone else than they are about constitutionality or what it means to be an American. The Constitution was written to help protect people. It was not intended to support corporate businesses at the expense of the people. As a proud American, I would much rather my taxes go toward helping my fellow man in need than have it go to make bankers and large corporation owners get richer than they already are. Who is creating the ever-shrinking workforce? Who keeps scaling back jobs to streamline their industry? Who keeps moving its jobs to foreign soil? The very people who have just loaded the Supreme Court, who has given carte blanche to the corporations to buy the politicians who are supposed to represent Americans. The problem with unrestricted capitalism is greed. Corporations have shown that they have little interest in society and will do damn near anything to, including kill, to make an extra buck. It has also gotten to the point that the corporations are charging so much for their goods and services that no longer can the average citizen pay for them and maintain their lives without serious hardship. Corporations have no social conscience. Having a little less at higher cost for health care is definitely going to happen if this bill does not pass, because the insurance companies have shown that they are going to continue raising their rates at an alarming rate. I will not support efforts to prevent restrictions on insurance companies which would keep them from denying coverage for pre-existing conditions. The preamble of the Constitution reads as follows. We, the people of the United States, in order to form a more perfect union, establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote general welfare, and secure the blessings of liberty to ourselves and to our posterity, do ordain and establish this Constitution for the United States of America. Note that it was to promote the general welfare, not to promote corporate welfare. Is promotion of the general welfare a Commie Socialist Marxist plot? No. It is at the core of American values. As far as the majority of the expense for the general welfare through this health care bill, it'll be paid for the most part by those who have caused the atrocities against the average American, the corporations. Yes, the rich will be required to pay more. The rich can damn well afford more. They aren't the ones having to do without the basic necessities of life. They're the ones who have caused and are causing so many to do without the basic necessities of life. The Tea Party is supporting the wrong group of people if they really want to maintain their liberty and right to life. And I'm not talking about abortions. I'm talking about real living people who have worked and are working and are trying to work to put food on their table and hopefully have some money left over to pay for utilities, which are also being raised by greedy corporations. The Tea Party's heart is in the right place, but their head is all screwed up. It's time to fight for the people, not for the greedy bankers and corporations. That's how I see it, and I'm C.R. Jennings.